Oh, Danny, I just love sitting on the porch when the weather's rainy.
It is very relaxing and maybe a good time to get the house plants out here, let them enjoy the rain.
Oh, no, 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 no. You can put the pothos out there. He'd be very happy, but don't you dare put this African violet out there.
Why, it doesn't like water?
No, it doesn't. Any plant that has any fur or fuzz like this beautiful African violet would be very, very upset in the rain.
Well, it looks so delicate. I don't believe I could ever keep something like that alive.
Oh, it's not as scary as you think. You know, all you have to do when plants do have fur like this is water from the ground up. And many people like to water them in a pan of water, and they soak them that way. But I have another way that we can water it, and that's with this cute little funnel.
Boy, where did you get that one?
Well, actually, I created it. I took a 1-gallon milk jug,
okay.
and I cut off the top of the handle and then the bottom where it goes into the jug itself, and it becomes this really practical little funnel. So what I'm going to do is stick it in here so that I can push it down toward the roots, and I can just deliver the water carefully into it. Now, another thing that you can do, aside from watering it this way, because you can frequently propagate the African violets, and sometimes, as you can see, we've got more than one plant here.
Right, sure.
If I go to divide it, when I do the new division and put the new potting soil in, I can put the funnel right in there at that time.